What is up my guys, welcome to another Honda Civic video. Today we got some parts from Fury Accessories in Cape Town. Let me show you what we got. I've been looking for stuff like this for the longest of times. Back in the day when I did not like Hondas very much, I remember seeing this on all the Hondas. When I bought my own Honda, I knew that I need exactly these parts on mine. And you can see them from behind. It looks absolutely phenomenal. Let me show you what we got. First up we got two lower control arms, and then this is, I believe it's called the tie bar or something that goes in the middle. This one is a bit harder to open, but let me check. I actually opened them already just to ensure that we got the right stuff and that they look right. So this is what the other part looks like. It's going to look phenomenal. That bar came with its own hardware. I'm not sure how to install it, but I guess it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna jack the car up and then we can get started. Actually, before we start, this is the view from the rear. I don't know how much you can see, but you should be able to see the blue suspension bits once they're installed. I'm going to take the wheels off and then lift the car up in the rear, and I think this is going to be a quick and easy install. We also got news that some of our other parts, I believe it came from Poland, or it's on its way from Poland. They just shipped yesterday, so they'll be here next week. I can't wait for them to come in, but let's get this install knocked out of the park. This is what the suspension looks like currently. So we'll be removing the lower control arm, both sides, and then the tie bar will come in. I'm guessing in between there or behind, I'm not really sure. We'll see once we get it on. I'm going to start by removing the lower control arm. Got both lower control arms off. The next step is going to be to remove those two bolts, which is 12 millimeters, to get the anti-roll bar off. And once the anti-roll bar is off, we can put on the brace. Once the brace is on, we can do the lower control arms again, and then we should be good. This is what the old lower control arms looks like. This is probably still from the factory, and we'll be replacing them with these. This is what the new ones looks like. They say Skunk 2 on them, although I'm pretty sure they are replicas, but to me it don't matter. This is where the hub goes on, where the shock goes on, where the anti-roll bar goes on, and this is where it will mate up to this tie bar that we got that's going to sit in the middle. I'm guessing this brace is just to stiffen up the rear, so it's going to sit something like that. You'll be able to see it when you drive behind the car. This is literally the old stuff and the stuff we'll be replacing it with. I can't wait to see this on the car. If you guys are excited for all the mods on this car, please give this video a like and drop a comment down below. Like I mentioned earlier, we are waiting for parts from Poland, and we have a couple more parts lining up which can't go on at the moment. That's why I'm not getting to it. We need to get more parts before we can make all of them work. But once the stuff from Poland comes in, I'm expecting them on Monday. Once that comes in, we can put it on right away. Give this video a like if you're enjoying the content. One thing that confused me a little was getting this back on here. It used these mounting brackets which we had to take off, and then it fits. And another thing that I'm unsure about is this. So I'm not going to tighten this. I'll probably just hand screw it in, put everything back together, and then once the whole rear end is assembled, we'll tighten everything down. This took me a while to figure out, but at least we got it. We finally got that tie bar on. I had to re-drill one of those holes there. It took me forever. I was trying everything to get it to line up, and in the end I just decided to drill one of those holes, like bored out a bit, so that it fits better. Next up, we are going to put the lower control arms in, and then we should be good to go. This is probably the most Honda thing that I've done to this car. Literally everyone I knew back in the day with Hondas had these on, so I'm a bit sick, so excuse if I'm out of breath and if I don't sound lekker. I don't feel very lekker, but I need to make these videos for you guys. It's been a while. Anyways, I can't wait to see the outcome when it's down on the floor, to see what it's going to look like. So let's knock out this install so I can show you guys. We got the one side done, but to be honest, I feel like the biggest idiot. I spent so much time trying to get that bar on there. I keep on forgetting what you call that, the anti-roll bar. I spent so much time trying to get that anti-roll bar on there, and then one thing that I failed to notice was that here they are threaded. So there's absolutely no way for us to put the anti-roll bar in there, I guess, unless I drill it out. That should not be the right way. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to take the anti-roll bar off now, and then we'll drive without the anti-roll bar until I can figure out how to do that. But I think it looks pretty sick. I mean, our whole theme of this car is black, yellow and blue, and you can see it there. It's going to look amazing. So I'm going to take the anti-roll bar off, knock out the passenger side, and then we can put it back on the ground. I'm gonna put the car back down on the ground now. I'm so out of breath, I'm sick. I'm going to put this car back on the ground now, then we can see what it looks like. And that's probably going to be it for this one. Not a super long video, but we have some more stuff scheduled, like I told you guys. So let's just take it one day at a time. I'll see you in the next one, bro. Peace out and reflect your passion. That is the current view from the rear now. I guess if you drive a couple car lengths behind the car, you should be able to see it immediately. I am moeg. Peace out, bro. See you in the next one.